down here at Harlem Grace Tabernacle. You know why I'm down here? Because I'm hosting a Bible-themed harvest party / game night. That's right. You come as biblical characters and you get to play games. You know we're going to have Moses doing Family Feud. So come on out on November the 1st at 7 p.m. Tickets are only $15. Where are you going to get a night like that for $15? And look who's here. Rahab, right from Jericho. Hi, Rahab. So good to have you here. Say hello. And look, the woman from the well. Hope she don't do an ice bucket challenge on us. Hi, how are you, woman at the well?
I am well.
Praise God. And you know what we're going to have?
And the chicken is going to be there.
There's no chicken in the Bible. What about it?
Ask Noah about me, all right?
Listen, the only chicken we have comes from across the street at Popeyes. So be there November the 1st